Let's get started. First, go to HebrewToday.com, click on Log In, put in your email address and password. And once again, click on Log In. This will take you to your account page. If you're already logged in, you'll see My Account instead of Log In. Then, click on My Learning Tools. You'll see a list of newspapers. Let's start with Bereshit 247. So first you'll see you have two links. Bereshit, the PDF. If you want to print, this is the best place to print from. Just open it and click on Print. If you want to use the full newspaper, we're going to go to Bereshit 247, the full version. It's best to work in full screen mode, so you'll see at the top of your page, full screen. Let's zoom in. You can use the bar to zoom in more or less. You can click and drag to center the article you want to work with. You can click here to listen to the audio. You can also move this audio bar out of the way, like that. Okay, we're finished with this article. Let's move on to the next one. Click and drag. To flip pages, go to the top of your screen. Let's click and drag to read the article we want. Now let's zoom out to fit the window. Okay, let's say you want to download. You have on the side of your screen, download for the full newspaper. You can also print from here and download the PDF from here. If you want to use just the audio or download just the audio, on page 2, you have a blurb about the audio. Click on it. It'll open a new window of just the audio. I think that's all. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at orders@HebrewToday.com. Thanks. Take care.